Then we're gonna stand in the middle of the arena and wave for green flag.
Green for go, let's go! I think we got 4 cars running.
Get them off. They're going to push them off with the Bobcat. How's that work?
We have 2 cars.
I think it is more fair doing it that way. That right there's cool. Instead of taking people out on the dirt, take them out there. Here it is. We'll stop
silence is golden, but I don't know what's
everything
going
for
on.
regular first.
They're working.
No, it ain't over. What? It's still under green even. Everybody's car's died. He's puffing. He's puffing.
They're trying to get them started. I can see all 3 of them are working there.
Sweet.
There's something. Drivers in there.
What's going on there?
What? Technically, the Williams car hit last.
You have to and if they don't hit, that's the next time.
Yeah, a minute and a half.
It's hard to find cars for. It's over according to the checkered flag. Well, they'll determine who's who and who won. As soon as they come and tell us up here, we'll tell you.
I'd say the Williams car, because he had technically hit last.